Hello everyone, this is Draculinho doing a Python tutorial. It is my first complete tutorial in English, so sorry if my English is not the best one, but I really want to start teaching and showing what I learn every day with more people. The way I like to do videos is showing things in short videos, showing one concept to assure that we attack one problem at a time. So, why Python? Why I start with Python? Python is a very easy and flexible language to use. You can use Python for almost all types of systems, from web to artificial intelligence, from big data to desktop application, and so on. Every kind of project at the in a way or another can be done with Python. And I love Python. It's my favorite language. So this is why I wanted to start teaching something in English using Python. So Python can be also used in almost all the modern operating systems, and once you create some code in it, you can run in any of the platforms. It's kind of Java where you code once and you can run it everywhere. The system it uses for that is kind of different, but the idea is the same. Other benefits you can get from learning Python is that it is very simple to create code. Once you have the basics of programming, Python is easy and intuitive and great for beginners and for advanced developers. So let's start. This is the website python.org. So you can download from here the latest version if you go here, but you can see that you have Python for almost every platform. So I have it for Windows, Mac OS, and other platforms. Let's see what we have now. You can see that you have it for lots of different systems. So let's go back here and let's go to download Python 3.7.4. It's the latest version right now. It will download a .exe file. So you want to have it. Installing it is just the next situation, so you don't have to care about this. I have it installed in my system. So once you have it installed, you can just open a console and type Python, and a Python console will appear. Let me show you. You have the symbol system, the console. So if you type Python, Python will appear. So from here you can start, as you know, trying Python commands. But if you want something that is kind of better than this, Python provides his own console. It's called idle. So if you go here, you can type idle. So you will see this, and when you click, the idle console will appear. Now, as you can see, it's the same. So let's start. In the console, I can program, for example, I can send a print. And print is to print something to the screen. So as every tutorial, we will start typing this print hello world. So we have here the answer that is hello world. But creating code like this is not comfortable. We have to type line by line and see what is happening. This is good for trying commands, but if I want to really do a program, I need a Python file. So From here, I can create new file. Here I can have my, I don't know, my Python files where I can write the same code. I can write print hello world, and let's save this, Control S or file save. Now I will save it in another place. Let's say, see, let's see, I have different programming folders, but you can save it wherever you want. I will create a new folder. Let's say Python tutorial here, and here I will create a file hello world.p. So if I want to run this, I can press F5 or run module, and it will run my program. Let's say I here, so it printed here hello world. But if I want to run it from my console, press Control Z or exit, will quit this Python console. So I can go to the folder I created, Python tutorial. If I come here, I have this hello world.p file that is the one I created. So what I will do is just Python hello world.p. What happens here is that Python does not compile files. It's not like C where you will have in the end a compiled file. There are ways to do that, but you will lose uh, the way you change it from operating system to operating system. So you need the interpreter that will be Python and the file you want to execute, hello world.p. So I press enter and it says hello world. It's the same if I want to add here another line or whatever. Here I can execute it again, hello line, or I can press F5 and will appear it here. So thank you for watching this video. In the next 2 days you will have another video, the second one, and as more people is coming here to see this video, I will upload more and more. And if you want to learn another language, I don't know, Java or automation, Selenium, or any other kind of things, just tell me, and as people start watching these videos in English, I will add more material. So thank you for this. Please subscribe. I will do a lot more videos, and see you next time. Goodbye.